Hi YouTube fam, my name is Roxy and on this channel we talk about everything money.
Before we jump into today's topic, if you will go ahead and subscribe if you are new here, hit that notification bell to stay abreast on new uploads, and feel free to drop a comment, like, and share so that we can help reach others that may benefit from this content as well. And again, I do thank you. Hey. I hope everyone is doing well on today. I am here to share with you another hot job lead. Now, before we get started, when I say the links to every job is in the description box below, this is exactly what I mean here, okay? Just to show you. So once you're on that desired video, you will scroll here. When you see more, click on more. And now here's the links to the video. You will go here, online job links, and go ahead and click on the link that you desire to apply for. Okay, I will have the name of the company, the description of the job, not the description, but the name of the job or the title, and then the pay if the pay is available. All right, so just want to show you how to navigate through the YouTube on that. Okay, we're going to start off with a scripture. I can do all things through Christ who strengthens me, Philippians 4:13. So this job is an executive assistant remote from home with double, okay? Our community of entrepreneurial best-in-class executive assistants are productivity experts. They partner with leaders from a spectrum of industries using cutting-edge technology developed with their direct input. Double Down executive assistants decide how many leaders they wish to support, and we work with them to find partnership to suit their work styles and experience. We also promote collaboration. Our community of executive assistants is in close communication, networking, and sharing tips, new tools, and best practices. So if you are a detail-oriented, tech-savvy executive assistant and our community sounds like a place to thrive and do your best, we'll love to hear from you. Okay? About Double, we believe that having a great executive assistant shouldn't be a luxury for the lucky few. Our mission is to help leaders save at least 2 hours per day by matching them with the perfect remote executive assistant to fit their needs. Okay. We also create the tools for the clients. And to learn more, you may visit this website here. All right. As a double, you will be the sole executive assistant of several clients, ideally based in your time zone. Our clients are mainly entrepreneurs, C-levels, okay, or investors looking for real business partners. Now, their requests vary from inbound management, scheduling, travel planning, research projects, and other administrative tasks. Okay. About this particular position, competitive pay ranging from $21 to $30 based on experience and location with additional incentives. But this is a 1099 contract job. All right. They do expect you to work at least 15 hours Monday through Friday per week, and you can work up to 35 hours per week as well. All right, this is very flexible, so you may choose your own time frames of when you can and cannot work. So that's a great thing about this position as well. All right, this is a part-time and full-time position. All right, so they do want you, let's say you are an exceptional executive or administrative assistant. You have a college degree and at least 3 years of experience. Okay, or at least 5 years of experience in executive assistant without a college degree. So those topics is what they're looking for, or that criteria is what they're looking for. All right. Now, they have benefits and perks as well for this position. A community of experienced EAs, which is executive assistants, to get coaching and support to achieving your professional goals. All right. On-demand educational opportunities to evolve in the organization. All right. So you could read the rest of the description. Okay. And if you are interested in the position, you could go ahead and click the apply for this job here at the bottom. Next up, we do have a position with Virta. It's a part-time administrative support specialist. This is a contract or 1099 position as well. Virta is the first company with a clinical proven treatment to safety and sustainably reverse type 2 diabetes without the use of medications or surgery. Okay. Their mission is reverse type 2 diabetes in 100 million people by 2025. So they're looking for a motivated individual to join the team or the lab support team. And the person must have the ability to work independently and with teams. In this role, you will support official business functions related to lab collection and transcription. The administrative support specialist will be part of the patient alliance team as well. Okay. Now, just keep in mind this is part-time, but according to GlassDoor, this position pays about $24 an hour. All right. Work with the team members through Zendesk and Salesforce queuing systems to review, upload, and transcribe lab submissions. Follow established processes while providing insights and feedback for improvements. Assist with tasks as needed to support the larger patient support and Virta teams. Okay. They have a 90-day plan. Within your first 90 days at Virta, we expect you all to do the following. Understand the Virta patient journey. Learn daily workflows related to lab transcription, eligibility checks, and collection initiatives. Build relationships with the support operations team and other Virtans and more, okay? So they must have available to work between 20 to 30 hours per week and available to work over weekends as needed. Ability to think critically and be data-driven in solving patient problems, and so forth and so on. The values-driven culture. Company values drive our culture. So you will do well if you put people first. All right. You have a strong sense of ownership. You have no ego. You are evidence-based and prioritize data and science over seniority or dogma. Okay. If you would like to apply for this job, go ahead. This is a quick and easy application here. So you just go ahead and take your time and fill out the questions that they have below. And good luck to those who apply. For those who stuck around this long, I will give you a bonus tip on that typingtest.com site I told you about in a previous video. You will see how it looks whenever you log in and get ready to take your test, okay? So stay tuned for that. Thank you. So you'll go ahead and click on the 1-minute test and you'll hit start test. Then you'll just start typing here. All right, so once you're done doing that, you'll hit close, and it'll analyze your results. I see how I got 48 words per minute at 100% accuracy. And then it has a net speed as well as 58 words per minute. If you want to retake the test, you can go ahead and retake the test and all of that great stuff as well, okay? But just want to show you how this tool works, and this is a good way to get your typing skills up, okay? Thank you so much for watching, and as always, please share, like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already, and have a great day.